What's up, everybody? Today we're making buffalo chicken dip. It's this wonderful recipe that I learned from my friend Leah down in Atlanta. What's up, girl? Thank you. This thing is delicious. Please don't be mad for bastardizing your recipe a little bit, but I just kind of had to do it with what I have. Anyhow, it's a real easy recipe. The thing I love about it is it's not labor intensive at all. You just take all your ingredients and shove it into a pressure cooker and boom, it does it all for you. The only thing you got to do at the end is shred the chicken. So let me show you what I got. All you're going to need is a pressure cooker, kind of like the one I got here. 16 ounces of ranch, 16 ounces of hot sauce, 1 whole red onion, a shallot. You're going to dice both of those up real good. And 2 pounds of chicken. It's real simple. All you do is take all of these things once you prepared them and stick them in that pot right there. You see the meat stew setting? That's the setting you're going to use for this. After you get everything in there, you're just going to push that button right there and then just hang out and do whatever. Got this thing going. Let's just get right to the good stuff. It's finally done. All we got to do now is dump it in this bowl, shred it up, and eat it. Chicken's falling apart already. Oh. Should probably do this gently.
Or over a sink.
Yeah, this is gonna be crazy good. The meat's just falling apart just by pushing on it with a spoon. I don't even need to shred it.
Take the mashed potato masher next to your left hand.
What a wonderful idea. And here you go, folks. Ingenuity at its finest. Using a potato masher to shred buffalo chicken. This is going to be fantastic. Lord have mercy.
Can't wait to try it.